Hi, my dear friends, this is Sri Vidya, and we'll be doing your situational, all sign situational reading. There are three situations put here, and you have to opt for one particular situation. For that, you just have to concentrate, first meditate, and then only opt for one of the section. The first section is for amethyst, as you can see, and the second one is the selenite bar, this one, and third one is rose quartz. So please concentrate, and also this is a weekly reading, so it also will can happen when you actually watches this within the week, when you actually watch this video, because this is timeless thing. So let's begin. Please concentrate, and then only opt for one. Ask your angels to help, and let's begin. Okay, for those who have opted for amethyst, okay, let me bit adjust. Okay, these cards will depict, or I forgot to tell you, these cards will depict first of all your current self, then the crossing energy, what you're going through, why you are like this, like the particular in a particular energy. Then the third one is other party, if there is other party or other situation. Fourth one is the hidden thing that you don't know. Fifth is future, and the sixth card is for advice. So let's begin. Okay, for the first section of the group, who has opted for amethyst, this one, let's begin. The current self of this section is Queen of Swords, means your current energy is like you are being very the queen energy. Whenever queen is comes, she is a master in herself, and she has reached to this point because of the experiences that she has got, and she is like protecting the tower having the light in it. This means you just cannot cross her just like that. You have to be very truly genuine personality, then only you can come across her, otherwise you cannot. And why are you in this kind of energy? This is because Knight of Wands energy, she feels like someone could approach her, and someone who is not very trustworthy, who is like in a very impulsive kind of energy. I could also say a player kind of energy. This is not a king. This man could not be trusted. So she is guarding herself from this energy. She is very protective about this. Now, I don't know what was the first card. Let me take this as like this one. This is the Empress reverse is the other side of the other party's situation. This means that other party is not feeling abandoned, because that person lost you, and now you are not in a mood to give him anything, and you were actually you brought abundance to him, but now he is feeling what he lost. Hidden thing from you. What is hidden? Okay, you Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles reversed could be it could mean that you were so much worthy for this person, and now as he lost you, he is feeling that he lost the treasure that he just had when you were with him. So bad for him. The future card is Justice reversed, means in the future something could happen that you will feel like this is not just, this should not be happening. Like this person could be approaching you, and could be manipulating you, and you are like not feeling very right about it. Advice for you. Two of Wands is like person making decision which way to go, this way to go or that way to go, and the both looks very similar, while the both way has different journey, different people to meet, and different results, different rewards. So you need to be very careful, because a situation could approach where you will have to make a decision which way to go. So be ready to face the scenario. What is your advice card? Let me get an advice card for you from angels. What you people should look for. Advice card for you. This is also advice card, but one more advice card from angels. Angels, please advise this section what to do. No, not that much. One card, please. One card. I've got a card. Courage. This totally resonates with your situation. You must be ready for someone who could approach you, and you would be in a position to make a choice. This choice can just make or break your life. So be very careful. Let me get one card. Why justice is reversed here? Let me get an explanatory card. Why justice is reversed here? One card, please. Angels, please guide me. Why justice is reversed here in the future of this section? The world reversed. Something is like not ended. Unfinished business is there. A past could come in your life, and he could try to manipulate you. So it doesn't mean that he is a bad person. Right now I haven't got. Marriage is also on cards, my dear first section people. You could get married to this person also, but since there is two choices, so you could get married to new person also. Be very careful, because time is about to come where you have to make choice, major choice, and your world will be upside down. You could be in a very chaotic situation also. That's why courage card has come. Have faith in yourself. You can make a lovely choice. The Lovers, just see, I just flipped the card and saw the Lovers. Love situation is here. So this concludes your reading first section. Now let me remove this, because this only creates confusion. Thank you. Second section. Let's begin your reading. Those who opted for selenite bar and this card also, your current self, what you are feeling as of now. 3 of Athems, that too reversed. This card, if it is upright, you see a lonely girl who is like taking all the burden on herself and moving. This and 3 of Athems suggests that someone has cheated her. So you have been cheated, and if it is reversed, means you are recovering from it. Angels are there to help you. You are recovering from a deceitful situation, a lack of trust. Okay, the crossing card was 3 of, see the 3, it means a third party came between you and your person, and that's why you were betrayed. Although you were expecting to be rewarded, but you were like penalized, you were hurt, you felt very much in pain, you was in pain, and now you are in recovering mode. I feel so much burden inside me, like this was just sudden. You didn't expect this to happen. Okay, what the other person, your ex, is thinking about you. Page of Athems, this person is keeping an eye on you. Suspenseful person, he keeps an eye on you, he keeps a tab on you. This could be through Facebook or through friend, and he is also manifesting something that I could feel. He wants you by his side. He wants you to be in the third party relationship. Okay, and he is very childish type of person, very mature person. What is hidden from you? Oh, the battle wagon. This person is coming. This person is coming and coming, just charging onto you. He'll come, he'll charge. Why did you do this? Why you went away? Okay, this thing happened. But be prepared for it. What is your future? The world upside down, the same with the previous section. Your world is going to be upside down when he approaches. You will feel totally shattered. You'll feel what to do, what not to do. Should I trust him? Should I not? What is the advice for you people? Six of Athams. This is someone like who tried to go to a calmer water, but that person didn't succeed. So it could be like you're here, you are very much feeling lonely without him. And you could also say yes to this person. Advice. Why this has come as advice card? Please get me one card. Why this has come as an advice card? Why the Six of Athams reverse has come as an advice card? What is advice for this section of people? My angels, please guide me. What is the advice for this section of people? Please give me a clarificatory card for Six of Athams reverse. Why this is... One card please, my angels. No, I'll be taking one card. One card please. One card. One card. Six of Athams is clarified by Five of Athams, because you don't feel very happy without this person, and you are like, you still feel that he is much more accomplished than you. He can fulfill you, and he is like your master. He is someone who knows you very very dearly, very truly. But then why did he hurt you? Why did he bring the third person into you? Let me get one more card. Should the other person be trusted? Should the other person be trusted? Ace of Athams. This came flying off. This is like clarity. Clarity will come to you. Eventually clarity. If you are running from clarity, no, clarity will come to you. Eventually you will be clear what to do and what not to do. And then if you are going to have a beginning with this person, then also it will be with very much clarity. It's not that other person is always wrong. There could be some situation which forbid him to come to you, but now he's like totally desperate to come to you, and you are also. So I'm very happy that a clear card came. Like anything, whatever will happen, this will happen with clarity. Okay, let me get an angel card for you. What is the advice from angels for you? What is the advice from angels for you? Angels, please advise this section of people. What is your advice? Advice card, please, my dear angels. Advice card for this section of people. I won't be taking two cards. One card, only one card, please. One card, please. Oh, face your challenge. Okay. You are, as I told you, you could be running away from the truth. If this card has come, means you are like, you don't want to see the truth, but you eventually you will face this. You'll have the courage, you will face this. There's very much suspense around you. Make your mind clear, because angels will support you. Ask guidance from angels. They will support you. Universe will support you, because you have a childlike innocence in you, and that is always supported. Okay, this concludes the second section reading. Now let's move on to the third readings. Okay, I'll be putting this card over here. Let me remove the cards. Thank you. And now the third section, who opted for rose balls. Stones are really happy. Current self. Your current self is, you are very much passionate. Okay, you're very much passionate. You're very much visionary. You have the power. You have everything. you're also having a very clear mind what you are going to do, what you are going to achieve, whom to approach, when to approach, and you have just a bird eye view on it. What's happening, like something you're very much passionate. You have, you're thinking also about, you're planning how to execute this. Why are you in this mode? Page of Cups. Page of Cups is all about you want to approach someone with love. That's why you're planning is not always bad. This could be other person's energy also, but since I'm doing a situational reading for your only, so this mostly resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, and you feel that someone is going to approach you in future, then feel that this is the energy of that person. Now if I take it as you, then you are going to you are just thinking of approaching someone with love, care, compassion, and you are very passionate about that person also. You are in a very good frame of mind, emotional also. Let's see what the other person thinks of you. Huh? Oh my god. Queen of Wands in reverse. Here you are King of Wands. Here she is Queen of Wands. So the other person, your person, is just opposite of you. Although you are in same, same arena, I could say. This is a good pair. Like if had she been like this, then this is a very good pair. You both actually love each other. But she is now just angry. Let's see why she is angry. What is she hiding from you? High Priestess. In fact, she has gained so much wisdom in these days, and she's also observing you, what you are coming. That's why you are in a very planning mode. She wants stability, but stability from a very stable, from a king-like person. You are a king-like person. She's observing you, mind it. She's observing you. Don't be in a kind of childish kind of energy, because then she's going to reject you. Be in a very stern type of very visionary kind of energy. What the future holds for you? Communication. You'll communicate with her. You will communicate with her. You have so many things to talk about. You will take action. You'll communicate with her. What is the advice for you? The Star reverse. This could be like, don't be very much hopeful, because she might reject you currently. But since you are a very passionate person, and you both belong to same section, same area, same kind of personality, so eventually you might succeed. But currently this could be a situation where you should not build so many hopes. Okay, now let me get archangels, angels guidance for you. Please guide the third section. My dear angels, please guide the third section. My dear angels, please guide the third section with your card. My dear angels, please guide the third section with your card. My dear angels. Okay, card has come. Honor life cycle. Okay, not a very good card though. This suggests that you might have to let her go for some time. I hope you are able to see the card. On a life cycle. If she rejects it, take it very in a very mature manner, because this could happen. But don't lose your hope. Let me get one more card for you. Is there any future for this relationship? If she rejects right now, is there any future for this relationship? Is there any future for this relationship? Please show me the future for this relationship. Please show me the future card for this relationship. Oh, again, not a very good card. No marriage is there. No marriage is there. The Hierophant is reversed, so don't be very hopeful. Very sorry to say, but the cards are saying like this. You need to make major changes in your life, because this is slightly negative. On this note, I am concluding the third section as well. please comment so that I am, guys, please comment so that I could understand whosoever is resonating and what is going on in your life, like you are resonating with this. Take care. Bye. Srividya signing off.